Hi there, let's solve this question on the board. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly press the subscribe button. Note that we'll be receiving new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays on the channel. So let's go to the question. In this question, we'll be taking 3 steps. The first step is we are going to check for the indeterminate form. Okay, determine indeterminate form. Okay, to check for indeterminate form, we are going to substitute x to be 0. Substitute x is equals to 0. Okay, that means both the numerator and denominator must equate to 0. So when we do that, we have 2 tan 0, okay, minus 0 cos 0. Everything will give you 0. Then for the denominator, we have 0 plus sine 0. Everything also be equal to 0. So it will be 0 divided by 0. That's as giving us that it's a determinate, is in determinate form. So when we are doing the second step, we are going to now give you the standard limit rules, okay, which is lim x as regards to 0 sine x, okay, over x will be equals to 1. Then we also have lim x 0 tan x divided by x is equals to 1. I also have cos x is equals to what? 1. So what I'm doing there is that we are going to now be dividing both the denominator and numerator by x. So if we divide it by x, we have lim x as regards to 0, 2 tan x minus x cos x divided by x divided by x plus sine x divided by x. So as we've gotten this, we are now going to be dividing or distributing x to each term individually. Okay, doing that, we'll be having lim x as regards to 0. Then we have 2 tan x divided by x. Okay, then minus x cos x cos x divided by x divided by x divided by x plus sine x divided by what? X. So this x here will cut x here. This one will divide this. Then we'll now be having lim x. Okay, we now have 2 tan x, 2 tan x divided by x minus cos x, okay, divided by 1 plus sine x divided by x. Then you note that now let's substitute what we have here. That's x sine x divided by x equals to 1. Then tan x divided by x equals to 1, and cos x is equals to 1. So now let's substitute it into the expression we now have here. So we'll now be having 2. This is 1 minus this is also 1 over 1 plus this is also 1. So this will give us 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1 we have 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer to this question is 1 all over 2. If you got what we solved here, and you have any other question, you can send it to our comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you.